Hello guys, welcome back to Android tutorials, and in this video we are going to check the internet connectivity of the user. So when user is not connected with our mobile network and Wi-Fi, then we are going to show the custom dialog. So let's get started with today's video, but I recommend you to watch our previous videos of the image to text scanner app and wallpaper app in Android Studio using Pixels API. We had done that, and our next series, that is convert any website into a professional Android app, that will give you much more better knowledge of the Android tutorials. So let's get started with today's video, implementation of the internet connectivity. So first of all, we are going to use the permission of the internet. So we are writing internet, and then we have to close that and access. So uses permission access internet. So access network state. So by this we are going to check the connectivity of the Wi-Fi or an mobile network, and then come to our main activity.java and write if statement. So if our is not equal to is connected, then pass the context. So if our user is not connected, that method that we are going to create now, so we are going to show custom dialog. So let's enter studio to be respond. We will start. So after that we are going to show custom dialog. So after close this and give this. After that we have to write this custom methods. So first Android Studio let to generate an error. So after that it generate error, we are going to implement this method by right clicking on the bulb icon. So it will take some time to code. Now it is error generated, so we have to create method. So here we had created our method and then show custom dialog method. So we had implemented this method. Now we are going to start the code inside that method. So first of all, in our main activity we are going to check that connectivity manager, or first access our connectivity manager. So I am going to write connectivity manager, and then again write connectivity manager is equal to, then write cast it. So connectivity manager, and then write our main activity dot get system service, and then pass the string name as connectivity service, as we need connectivity service only. So here we had written or writing a connectivity service. So let's enter studio to be respond. So now it is, we have to write context dot connectivity service. So after writing that connectivity service, we are going to close this line of code and then write one network info. So network info, then write Wi-Fi network is equal to, we have to write connectivity manager dot get network info, and then we have to write connectivity manager. So connectivity manager dot type Wi-Fi. So here we have check for Wi-Fi and then press Ctrl D to duplicate them, and here we have to write mobile network, or we are checking the mobile network by typing same network info mobile network is equal to connectivity manager dot get system, so get network info and type mobile, and we are going to return if it is connected. So write return, then make this and type Wi-Fi network is not equal to null, and our Wi-Fi network is connected with dot is connected, then we are and also type our mobile network with same thing. So copy this code and type that code into an curly bracket again, and then here after closing this we have to write this parallel, and here it is. Now close this from here and write here Wi-Fi network to be mobile network, and mobile network is connected. So after writing this we are going to check our connectivity, and we will then show the custom dialog. So custom dialog will be like this: if our user is not connected with network, so we are going to write alert dialog dot builder, and then type builder is equal to new alert dialog builder and pass the context this, and then close that. After that we have to write builder dot set title, as we are always giving the title. So here I am giving error, or you can write check the connection, or anything that you want. So here I am writing check the connection, and then close this set title method, and then again write builder dot to check the internet connectivity. We are going to show them it seems your internet connectivity is not proper or it not connected. So we are going to write set message, and that message will be it seems you are not connected with internet connection, check it out. Or we can write turn on and refresh, restart app. So after giving that message that it seems you are not connected with internet connection, turn on and restart our application. After that we are going to set cancelable to be false. So write set cancelable will be false. So when user click on anything else instead of our buttons, then our dialog will not disappear. So we have to write builder dot set positive button. So positive button title, so I will write that title and click listener after. So first complete our builder. So builder dot set negative button, and then close. Here we are not going to use neutral button because it is useless. After that it is useless for this project. After that we are going to write builder or alert dialog. Alert dialog is equal to builder dot create and type alert dialog dot show. So after we have to set the positive button. So positive button will be turn on, or negative button will be exit. So after we are going to apply the dialog interface click listener. So new of dialog listener, dialog interface click listener, and implement that same method with exit button. So comma new of exit dialog click listener. So here we had written exit dialog click listener. After we are going to show the settings button. So start activity, new of intent or settings dot Wi-Fi settings. So we will redirect the user to the Wi-Fi settings, and in this negative button we are going to write finish infinity. So this will close all the activity. So this was the complete Android tutorial on the checking of the internet connectivity. If you enjoyed our video, then you may like this video and share with this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Android Tutorials to learn more things. So thanks for watching Android Tutorials.